Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing a 1:10 scale model and estimate about 1/500 pieces. This controls length, wheel size, and detail level. Lay out a 32x32 stud base plate and sort bricks by color and type: red, black, white, plates, slopes, tiles. Gather tools: brick separators, tweezers, small pliers, and a ruler in centimeters. Collect reference photos of the Toyota Supra MK4 from front, side, and rear angles to match proportions, and to plan the hood, fenders, and rear wing. Begin the chassis with Technic beams to reach the model length for 1:10 scale, and install 4 independent shock mounts for realistic ride articulation. Build a reinforced center spine using 1x2 Technic bricks and cross-axle connectors, then add a gearbox with 8-tooth gears to create a simple steering linkage. Use axles and friction pins to lock components and fit wheels sized to the scale, roughly 42 mm diameter front and rear, ensuring wheel wells clear by at least 3.5 mm. Shape the body starting with the hood and front fenders, using slopes and curved 2x4 bricks to create smooth contours that mimic the Supra MK4 silhouette. Lay tiles and plates to form the roof and doors, aligning edges within one stud for symmetry, then attach a rear wing and side skirts built from plates and modified slopes. Add lights with 1x2 transparent tiles, a 2x4 grille, and apply custom decals and a license plate to complete the look for display or play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.